This is our vegetable garden in London. It's a city garden, so it's not very big. As you can see, there's a lot growing. It's the 1st of July, so I'll do probably further updates later on of how things are growing. I make mistakes every year, and I learn every year, and I try and improve. So I've been doing gardening for, say, the last 5 years or so, properly for probably about 4 years, and it started off helping my parents because this is their vegetable garden really, and they've been growing things here for years, and I've just taken on from everything they've taught me, and I've just been learning a lot over the last few years, and I make mistakes every year and I try and improve. So I'll show you what I've got. There's a lot growing here, and I can do further videos on how I managed to do this, all of this. So I've got runner beans in the back, tomatoes. All of these are self-seeded, by the way, and I've just transplanted them here. And more self-seeding tomatoes, mint bush here, squash, amaranth, peppers, Italian sweet peppers, beans in the back. These are beans from Bangladesh. I don't know the names of them. It's called Ainauri in Bangla, and these are amaranth, more red amaranth here. These are a different type of amaranth. The gourd plant starts here. Let's climb onto the trellis there. All of the hanging tomatoes here, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, are all hundreds and thousands, and I've got a couple of strawberry hanging as well. These are self-seeded tomatoes. These are the hundreds and thousands. And another one here. At the background, you can see that's gourd climbing up the wall. These are more Bangladeshi beans, and I've got some beans growing in the back behind the greenhouse. I've even utilised that spot just before I place the greenhouse. The greenhouse has been here just for a few months, by the way, so beans are growing. So this greenhouse has been here for a few months, and always wanted one. I finally got one. I don't have a lot of space in the garden, but I couldn't help it. So I'm trying to make the most of it. So I've got tomatoes here hanging hundreds and thousands, some more, some chilies. Maybe they're not large enough to fruit this year. This one I actually bought from B&Q. Some more tomatoes and chilies, cucumber, and cherry tomatoes. So they're already growing to the greenhouses. I'm doing well. So it's paying off. I did a lot of my seedlings in there, or in fact all of it. Strawberries, hundreds and thousands. Spearmint. And these are garlic. So these are plants that where I'm going to place cucumber. So this trellis is for cucumber. Behind the cucumber I have a type of bean from Bangladesh and the United States. In Bangla we call it lubi uri, or in Sylheti at least. And these are cucamelon plants at the front, and behind them I have more beans. I just had too many plants and I just didn't have the heart to kill them, so I placed them somewhere. I think they'll do fine. The way up to, so here there's coriander growing at the moment, but this bed will have taro. You can see them growing there. Taro or dashin, muki in Bangla, or khosu. And these are all self-seeded tomatoes. And here in this bed I had lots of self-seeding tomatoes. This is a type of veg. It's amaranth. More peppers and cucumbers. I've got more plants than I can grow in this garden, to be honest. And this is a type of vegetable for Bangladesh. I don't know the name. I'll have to update it in the next video. Please look out for my future videos. I'll be updating you guys on how the garden has progressed over the summer. We'll all learn what works well, what doesn't. If you have any suggestions or any tips, please leave them in the comments. I really value the advice I get from the gardeners. See you soon.